Guangzhou Gaming will be one of the teams na magpa-participate sa M7 World Championship at dadaan muna sila sa M7 wildcard. You know what time it is? Hands in. Kung mapapansin nyo, nandito ako sa Dasmariñas Arena because this is hours before my MPVA salang. But yes, una sa lahat, congratulations kay Coach Vren kasi sigurado ako na trinabaho niya at ng buong team niya yung ruta for them to get into M7. Kahit sabihin natin na wildcard yun, parte pa rin sila ng international stage kasi galing sila sa closed qualifiers eh. So obviously, pag galing ka sa qualifiers, minsan wala talagang expectations dyan kasi i-expect mo na yung ibang mga teams talaga yung magdo-dominate. Teams like Rare Atom, teams like Keep Best Gaming, yung mga kilalang mga teams na sa China. Or siguro kilala natin kasi palagi naman sila yung nagpa-participate. Pero hindi ganun yung nangyari, pare. It was Owl, the former Blacklist International player, the former SEA Games representative. Kasama niya si Kano Neo, which I don't have much of an idea of. Please enlighten me, Coach Vren, at kung sino man ang nanonood nito. Saan po ba galing si Kano Neo during his time here in the Philippines? Or mas nakilala na ba siya towards China? But either way, ang gandang salang nun para sa kanya kasi makakarating siya kagad sa M7 sa unang bitaw niya pa lang sa China Masters. I think that's already a win in its own for them. Beating teams na medyo kilala na sa China, masusubukan sila ngayon sa wildcard.